Have you ever wondered how a mobile phone, a device that's become an extension of ourselves, is made? Imagine a world without mobile phones, without the ability to call, text, or browse the internet at your fingertips. It's near impossible, right? Mobiles have woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives, becoming an integral part of our routine. From waking us up in the morning to helping us navigate unknown territories, they're our constant companions. In this video, we will break down the process of making a mobile phone into simple, easy-to-understand steps. A mobile phone, while compact, is made up of several key components. At the heart of every mobile device is the motherboard. This miniature circuit board houses the processor, memory chips, and other essential microcomponents. It's essentially the brain of the phone, controlling all its operations. Next up is the display. This is the visual interface that allows us to interact with our device. It could be a liquid crystal display or LCD or the more recent OLED screens, which offer richer colors and deeper blacks. Then there's the battery. This powerhouse supplies the necessary electricity to keep the phone running. Without it, the device is essentially a paperweight. The camera, often multiple in modern devices, captures images and videos. Its quality and capabilities can vary greatly from phone to phone. Finally, we have the casing, providing protection and aesthetic appeal. It's more than just a shell. It's a design statement. Each of these components plays a crucial role in making a mobile phone function seamlessly. Now that we know the key components of a mobile phone, it's time to understand how they come together. This process is akin to piecing together a complex puzzle. It starts with the motherboard, the heart of the phone, which holds the processor, RAM, and other integral parts. This is delicately attached to the display panel, where you'll later see your apps and selfies. Next, the battery is connected to the motherboard. It's crucial to handle this with care to avoid any potential damage. The cameras, both front and back, are then installed, followed by the speaker and microphone. Once these components are in place, it's time to encase everything. The casing not only gives the phone its aesthetic appeal but also protects the delicate components inside. The assembly process requires precision and delicacy, as each component plays a vital role in the phone's functionality. And voila! The mobile phone is assembled and ready for testing. Once the mobile phone is assembled, it's not ready to hit the shelves just yet. The journey continues with meticulous quality assurance and vigorous testing. Every mobile phone undergoes a series of tests to check its functionality, software compatibility, hardware performance, and battery life. It's an exhaustive process, ensuring every button click is accurate, every app runs smoothly, and the battery lasts as promised. This is the phase where perfection is pursued. Only after rigorous testing and quality assurance, a mobile phone is deemed ready for the consumers.